folks, welcome to the Everything Guys, and today, as you guys can see, we are at Walgreens. If you remember, we got kicked out of Walgreens. You can play that clip.
Pulled all the stuff off the shelf that you're gonna play with. You know you're not buying it, leave it there.
And if you guys look closely at that clip, the manager told us not to come back. We are now going to be going into that same Walgreens. You can cut there. Now, before we go into the Walgreens, I would quickly like to introduce, first of all, we have me. Second of all, we have Mr. Johnny. We also have Mr. Josh. Howdy. And we also have Mr. Mike. All right, guys, we are now going to go into this here Walgreens. Here we go. All right, guys, let's see if we get kicked out. Alrighty, folks, so absolutely nothing of interest happened in Walgreens, so we're now going to Walmart.
I did crap my pants when I was in there though.
Alrighty guys, welcome to content in Walmart. Alrighty folks, toilet paper float time. Starting now. Alrighty folks, we can go in now. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Josiah, you has a sound that we're gonna be playing for the folks. No one's coming down this aisle.
Stop. Since no one's coming yet, I tell some scary stories.
Oh, that's someone right there.
Someone right there.
Want a spray cranberry? Want a spray cranberry?
How long are we gonna do this? Go. We have to start careful. Hey. Alrighty folks, I would say that was a mission success. Alrighty folks, we are now heading back to Josh's house to get ready for the Palooza, and I heard the word that Aaron is there as well. See you guys there. So that last clip was recorded a week ago, and we are now outside of a completely different Walmart. Mikey, pan over to the train track so that they know this is a completely separate Walmart. Also pan to the bus. That is our ride. And it's gone. We are now stuck at Walmart for the next hour, so here we go. And we do still have Mr. Johnny, who is turning 19 today because it is Josiah's birthday today.
Happy birthday there, Johnny! So since today's Johnny's 19th birthday, which we're gonna get him so nice elderly black woman to say him happy birthday, we're now buying him a gift there, Johnny, to celebrate this occasion of his birth.
Quite honestly, don't know what
Asian.
you just said. Oh, by the way, Mikey, still our cameraman. How are you doing there, Mike?
Nothing.
So we got him a Slim Jim. These are Dragon Ball shorts for Juicy.
I'd say that was pretty successful, wouldn't you say, Mike? Why is the camera sideways? I would say that was pretty successful. Wouldn't you say that, Josiah?
Drip.
Alrighty, folks, we are now outside of the Walmart. We have successfully... Alrighty, folks, our ride is here. We're gonna be hopping in the Ford Mobile in just a second and going to a bowling alley, and we're gonna see what happens.
Drip.
So fellas, boys, gentlemen, once these children are done, we're gonna hit that bag over there.
I'm gonna put the lav mic right here.
That's a nice hit there, Mike.
100!
I could've hit 1,000.
Alright, Josh, you're next.
I'll tell you how real man's man. Oh, that's bullshit.
No! Good form there, Mike. Yo! 823! Oh, it's bad. Dang it! We're getting more credits, boys.
Too much gas money to get there. My mom was gonna charge my.
Ah, that was terrible.
Oh.
That's pretty good. Oh! Whoa! 882! How do you feel about breaking the record?
Feel awesome.
We're not gonna go bowling.
Pose for the camera.
Drip.
Put your balls in the rack.
All right, first up we got Josiah. Here we go.
Show us how it's done, Josiah.
You're up next there, Josh.
I'm going easy on you fools.
Oh my gosh, Josh. Beautiful. No. This is how it's done, boys. That was just my warm-up.
I've been bowling like 50 years.
50 years. Here he goes.
Oh, look at that form.
That's professional bowler.
He's been bowling since the womb.
Gotta stay back this way. It's crowding too many people up, all right? DCL's table's here, so you need to stay back this way, all right?
We were not crowding anybody, let it be known. Nobody was being crowded. Question, Josiah, were you being crowded?
No.
Were you being crowded?
Not at all.
Was I being crowded? Absolutely the heck no. No one else is in this table. Who are we crowding?
Put Mikey in his place there, Tim.
You got this, Jim. Come on, Josh. Oh! Nice spare. Oh. That's how it's done, boy. Come on, Jim.
First of all, my name's not Jim. It's Jeremy. Don't call me out of my name. That was like a verbal check, but the next one's the right hook.
Yeah! Nice. Here we go. Oh, that's a beauty.
That's it.
Strike Nation, yo. Strike
That's
Nation.
right.
Problem is, if you don't have two balls, it takes too long for your ball to come back. So it's
Absolutely.
like, this is the ball, yo. Can you hold this?
That is a ball.
Oh.
Manly ball right there. That's like...
Now we've moved on to trick shots. I'm going with the bank shot. Notice the bumpers are up, correct?
I do see that, yeah.
Try to hit it like halfway down.
All right, here's a bank shot.
Bank shot.
The bank shot.
Okay, this is called the bumper spare.
There you go.
Nice spare.
You got this, right? The video creator throwing gutter balls, right? Y'all got this?
Yeah.
Thank you. Joe, you're next. Best ball wins. So I'm gonna go like all the way fingerless because
Here we goes. Straight in the gutter. Alrighty, so what would you rate that bowling experience, Josiah?
Yeah, I would give it a 6 out of 10 experience because I lost.
That's about it for this video, folks. It was a good time. So, video was a little bit flat. You know, the first half of the video was recorded a week ago, but we needed more content, so that's why we did that. But anyways, I hope you've thoroughly enjoyed, and is there anything else to say? I don't know what to say.
Let's keep this all in.
Alright, folks, we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Don't follow me, Josh.